Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to upload pictures using your phone into your Google Doc. So you're going to need to do this for your citizenship service project. So here I have my citizenship service project all typed in. And then down here is where I need to add my pictures. So I need a picture for each week. So I'm going to, on my phone, I have my photos. So I'm going to click on my photos. Here's the photo that I need to upload. So I'm going to go down here to where there's a little piece of paper with the arrow button. Click on that. It'll bring it to here. I'm going to look to where it says Google Drive. You may need to go where it says more on your phone and click on that and make sure Google Drive is turned on, which mine is. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the Google Drive on my phone. And I have two different Google accounts, so I need to make sure that it's using my school account. So I'm going to click on my school email address, make sure it's getting that account. And sometimes you have to, seems like it has to click like a billion times. There we go. And sure, it says my school email down here. And then click on, I'm going to select the folder I'm going to put it in. I'm going to put it in my drive. And then I'm going to put save here, upload. And then it's uploading my picture right now. Make sure it goes all the way through. There we go. So now my photo is saved there. So now I can go into my Google Drive here, and I'm going to refresh. So hopefully it shows up here, because if it doesn't show up here, there's something else. Somewhere else to go. But I need to scroll to the bottom of my Google Drive. I hit refresh. Oh, there's my photo. My photo is right here. But I could also scroll down to the bottom and it'll be saved down here too when my computer finishes uploading everything. Okay, so I'm going to click on my photo here, and I can and I can also, so I can copy and paste it into my paper. I can go over here into I'm going to hit insert image, and I'm going to do it for my drive. And oh, look, it's going to show up on my recents. It's going to make it even nicer. And I'm going to click on my photos right here, and it's going to insert my photo. And that's how I can get a photo into my Google Doc. Nice and easy.